customer loyalty and the lifetime value. So what is the CRM can lead to the customer loyalty, which is important when the firm expect repeat business from the customer. As in case of hospitality, we expect our customers to return back to us. How we do that? By providing them the exceptional services, personalized services. And how we provide exceptional customer service is by understanding the customer needs and their behaviors. So the CRM would be very helpful. There are a lot of CRMs that we will be discussing in the future. So customer loyalty will have two components, is a function of two components. One is customer share. Customer share is the proportion of resources a customer spends with one among a set of competing supplier. And the commitment by customer. Customer commitment is a bond between the customer and the sales firm. So the share is the resources that customers spend, like the money, that the price they are paying to us, and the commitment would be the loyalty program they have. Now the customer may apply more than one loyalty programs, doesn't mean that they are not committed. It does mean that they would go for the most beneficial situation where they are. Most of the time customers have only one loyalty program, and where they are mostly focusing on their efforts because they like the services of those particular hotels. So the lifetime value of the customer is how we can calculate that. We can calculate that by taking a sum of the average revenue gained from the customer in a lifetime minus the cost of sales. So the cost of rooms is very less. So in hospitality, usually we take only the revenue, expected revenue generated by the particular person over their lifetime. So if let's say the customer is 50-year-old, has remaining 10 year of traveling life, probably 15 year of traveling life, he comes every year at least once and spends, let's say, $5,000 on the hotel in one stay. So means the customer has a lifetime value of at least 5,000 into 15, $75,000. So that is how we calculate the customer's lifetime value. So how much money they are spending in an average in a given lifetime, that would be their value. How is that important? That is important to understand when the customer is having complaints, having specific requirements. The salespeople can make a judgment that what is the lifetime value of this customer and what cost we have to incur to give in to the customer's request, so that we can make a profitable decision. What if we lose this customer? How much money we are gonna lose? And what if we provide the special request that the customer is seeking? How much would be the cost? So you can do a cost and benefit analysis in a much easier way. So the risk of relationship selling is also have some risk. As we see in the benefits, is that the increased dependency on a major buyer. So we are dependent on those customers, less of flexibility to capitalize on business opportunities, because then it will be difficult for us to have new customers, and the growth in the complacency with the current customers. Since the hospitality business is highly transient, it's have a very much less less risk of this relationship selling. However, there are certain hotels which overly rely on particular agents, like they 50% of the business come from one particular agent, travel agent, or one particular corporate, which is giving a lot of banquet business, lot of rooms business. So the hospitality business hotels can become overly reliant on those customers. So we need to avoid that pitfall and need to have more than one customers who we need to rely on, rather than a very few customers where we are overly relying on. So the sales managers need to ensure that continue to review their top 10 clients or top 20 clients to make sure that the business is not coming from one customer only. There is a healthy mix of various customers, even though they might pay smaller price, because it may happen that one customer, if you become overly reliant and paying a good price, it may be in the short term it may be beneficial to stick to that customer and sell everything to that particular customer by refusing the other lower paying customers. but it put us into a very high reliance on that particular customer in case anything go wrong with that business or anything go wrong with the relationship among that particular customer and the hotel may lose a major chunk of the business, while the other customers who you have refused in earlier might have went to the other competitors as a loyal customers. So you may lose the potential loyal customers and the previous loyal customer as well. So that is again a risk of maintaining over relying on one particular customer that we have to ensure. Now let's look at the sales manager, how we can do the customer management. So value is the individual selection prospection of the worth of some activity. So value, what is the value? The value is the perception of our worth, in our perception, the worth of some activity, objective or idea. To create value, salesperson need to do the following: gather important data about the customer and the market, identify the type of data needed to give the customer the better service, what they need, what are their requirements, what kind of price they are expecting, why they are coming to the location, so that we can provide the maximum value to and the required solution, better service. Provide input into how the CRM system would use the data to create a value to the customer, manage the relationship between the firm and the customer with whom salesperson is assigned. So we have to understand what are the customers clients, what are their needs, so that we can provide them, we can put them into the CRM, that any customer from this particular corporate company is coming, they may need pressing service, they are coming here for meetings, so they may need a limousine service. So in that case you can provide the salespeople can ensure that the hotel is providing exceptional services to the particular client by understanding their needs, by understanding why they are using the hotel facilities, what would be their needs, make an guess, educated guess on the requirement of their customers. Corporates are using the hotels for meetings. What kind of meetings are there? What is the level of meeting? What kind of resources they need in each and every meeting? So if we provide that into the CRM, any new booking comes up, we know the operation people will know what to expect, what to provide, so that they can provide a better services. So this is how the customers can provide, the salespeople can help the hotel to provide value to their customers, be it corporate customers, event customers, or even individual tour agent customers.